Hey everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today we are making something exciting. We are making a marble cake, which is a mixture of vanilla and chocolate baked in one tin together. So I'm quickly gonna take you through the ingredients that we are going to be using today. I've pre-mixed them according to the stages that I'm going to be mixing them in. So in here, we've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. It's all been leveled, measured. And then we've got 2 cups of custard sugar, also measured, leveled. 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt. In here, we've got 1 cup softened unsalted butter. This one is a mixture of 1 cup buttermilk, 4 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. In this saucepan here, I've mixed together half a cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa, and half a cup of water. You bring this to a simmer on the stove, and make sure as you do that, you're whisking so that you don't have any lumps. And then once you have done that, you set the mixture aside. These are the ingredients that we are going to be using today, and we are making our cake in a bundt tin. So I've already sprayed that with oil, prepared, ready. Before we start mixing and baking, we are going to preheat our oven to 160 degrees, and this is fan forced. And once we've done that, we are ready, and let's get baking and have fun. We are using our stand mixer fitted with a pedal attachment. So I've got that ready to go. And to start off, we are going to put the dry ingredients in here. And on very low heat, on very low speed, I'm going to mix for 30 seconds just to combine them. Now we add our butter, half of the buttermilk mixture, and we are going to mix this on low speed for 1 minute. Now we gradually add the remaining buttermilk mixture with our mixer on low speed, and once we've added all of it, we increase our speed to medium, and we are going to mix for 3 minutes. Halfway through, you stop to scrape the sides to make sure that everything is getting mixed. Now we mix for the remaining time on medium. It's been 3 minutes, and now our mixture is ready. You can see it looks nice and smooth. We just scrape down the bowl to make sure everything is well incorporated. And yep, everything is nice and smooth. So now we use this same butter for both the vanilla and the chocolate cake. And how we are going to split it is we are going to measure 2.5 cups that you scoop out. So in here, I've got 2.5 cups that I have scooped out. So this is what we are going to use to make our chocolate cake. So I'm going to put it in a separate bowl. Once we have it in a separate bowl, it's time to bring over the chocolate mixture, and we pour it in here. What we are going to do now is we are going to whisk this. Right, we've got our chocolate mixture. Just want to eat it. Looks very yummy, but we have to cook it first, so time to set this to the side. Next step, we bring our tin and we are going to put half of our vanilla mixture. Now time to pour in the chocolate. And with the chocolate, we are pouring all of it. And lastly, time for the remaining vanilla to go in. All of our mixture is in, so now I'm going to use a butter knife just to do some swirls. So I'll just do it in a zigzag motion. And that's it, it's ready to go. Now we pop our cake into the oven and we are going to bake it for 60 to 70 minutes. It depends on the oven that you're using, but you want to bake until a cake tester inserted comes out clean, or you can also use a skewer or a toothpick, whichever is easier, or whatever you've got handy. So time for us to get baking. Now our cake is out of the oven. It looks beautiful, I can't wait to cut it. I'm just going to leave it in the tin to cool for about 30 minutes before I invert it out of the tin onto a cooling rack. So I'll be back to show you once it's cool and I'll be able to cut and show you the inside. Sit tight.